So one thing about living here in Central Oregon is we are really lucky to have the beautiful Cascade Mountains right in our backyard. There's one right there. And in those mountains, there's a bunch of lakes, and in some of those lakes, there's some resorts. One of them being Cultus Lake Resort. And at Cultus Lake, they have cabins, they have the restaurant, they have campgrounds, they have pontoon boat rentals, jet ski rentals. The owners of the resort also rent snowmobiles in the wintertime, and like now, because up on like mountains like there, there's still snow and you can still go snowmobiling. My family and I, we've rented pontoon boats up there, spent the day at the lake. Awesome place. They got a new pontoon boat, but it's coming in on a big flatbed trailer like that one. And they need to get it down on the ground, so we're gonna take that one, go get the pontoon boat off the flatbed, put it on the rollback, put it on the ground, and see how that goes. All right, so we are unloading this pontoon boat. Just gotta get this guy to back up to me. We're gonna winch it off of his trailer onto my bed and then set it on the ground. Come on back. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna square up a little bit. I think it's much easier for me to square up than him. Oh yeah, off just a bit here. All right. I can lift this up. I want this up. Can you drop the air in your truck? Leave the trailer bags up, but drop the air suspension in the truck. Can you go do that? Why not?
Sorry, my English.
The on the truck. The suspension?
Yeah.
Drop.
Ah.
The trailer up.
I asked
yeah.
you before.
Okay, yeah.
Sorry.
So the less downhill that is, the better.
Yeah.
No, he didn't get that at all. No.
No?
The suspension.
I have it. I only pillows.
This.
Yeah. I do this. Not move it because I weight not heavy.
No.
No. Sorry.
This. Down.
I do this. I'm parking.
No. Can I show?
Maybe you should because
yeah, let me see.
Usually show.
Yeah.
They're on a trailer.
No.
On a truck.
Yeah, only truck.
Only truck?
See, this rolling, if it's downhill, too fast. So, like this.
Okay, on
then
on a trailer.
Trailer up. Truck
okay.
down. Yep, perfect, thank you.
First time having this unload.
Yeah, it's okay. So we're gonna raise up. Perfect. Okay, and we're gonna use a couple of these. I think these are my least messed up ones. And then okay. I got it. Perfect. All right. And then take this off. Perfect time to have a soft shackle on the end of the line.
Yeah, one guy had did off the bat and it ripped it right off.
Yeah, we'll do this and then nothing's hurting anything. And we'll just have to kind of guide it as we go. Can I reach it? Perfect. Want to hop up here too, just in case we need to help push back and forth. We can. It should go pretty smooth, but that's a just in case it doesn't type of thing. The only thing is, like, when that winch drum winds side to side, you'd be amazed at how much of a difference that makes and where it pulls this. Doing sea containers, it's the same thing. Like, why is the container sliding off the side? Well, it's the winch drums on one side.
Oh, you've done the same type of...
Well, loading containers off the ground and stuff. We've done some stuff off of trailers like this.
Yeah, BRP wants us either have a crane or a big forklift or a ramp.
It's a ramp. Portable loading ramp. Need to come this way? Okay. Oh yeah, we're pretty good. Looks like the right on the edge of the wood to the aluminum there is pretty centered on both of them. We'll just make sure it jumps this transition nice, which it should. Perfect. Okay, now that's going up the deck, I'm not so worried about it. I'll just worry about that little bit of that downhill on that trailer because these are super slick. Now we're good. Get a picture of this. It's okay. It's just that little bit right there. That's why I made sure that the deck is uphill. Because if it's flat, when it goes on that, it'll want to roll a bit. That's why we're uphill. Where are we putting this?
Just drop it down and I'll help to lift it up, put it on the...
Yeah, we can put it on the jack for sure. So you just need it on the ground here, and then you'll take it.
Yeah, I'll pick it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll pull forward off of his trailer, and he's good to go. Perfect chance to put this away. Actually, let me drop my bags just to get the best angle we can off of this thing. Suspension. Okay, now we can set my truck back on the ground. Pick this all the way up. Okay. Gonna just clear. Perfect. And I'm just gonna push it all the way down. Hopefully. I'll go to this side. And then we get it down to the end, I can pick this up with the bed and we'll fold that jack down. So what's your target opening date for when we get to come enjoy this thing?
Well, June is kind of when we break in, the weather's nice enough. It's going to be pretty cold in May. But yeah, we open up mid-May and then usually the marina starts going about June, especially when the kids get out, you know.
Yeah. Okay, we're well past the jack, so I will pick this up while we're still hooked to it. Stay. Put a couple rocks under it. Don't need much. That's the wrong way. So, we'll undo our soft shackle here. That's a perfect way to hook this thing. No steel hooks in it, all that stuff. So we'll grab our skates. Throw back in here with the others. Nice and clear. Run our bed up and then we'll wind all this in. So this one's different than your Polaris ones. What are those, the switch?
Yeah, no, this is a switch. This is a couple years newer. So yeah, I don't know.
So this is the same as like the one we rented before?
Yeah.
So June?
Yeah.
Get up there?
June, yeah.
Do you guys want to rent some pontoon boats, some jet skis, snowmobiles in wintertime, but that's over. Or are you still doing snowmobiles?
Yeah, we're doing snowmobiles, Cascade Adventures.
Yeah.
So check us out.
And then once summer comes up, head up to Cultus Lake. You got the resort, you got cabins, camping,
restaurant, store, pontoon boats.
How about
jet
we
skis.
bring our RV up, go out on the pontoon boat, and spend a nice weekend up there.
There you go. Yeah,
We're gonna do that. Yeah. All right, so check them out. I'll put a link to Cultus Lake Resort at the bottom of this. If you want to check out some pontoon boat, jet ski rentals, cabins, beautiful lake up in the mountains up here. See you next time.